Hi everyone, today I'm back with another topic. Myself Jambu Engineering, and I'm your tutor. Today I'm gonna talk about the term called photosynthesis. Before we get into the main content, let us first understand the word photosynthesis. Basically, photosynthesis has two terms. One is photo and another one is light. Here, photo means light, which means sunlight, and synthesis means to make or produce. Photosynthesis ra gini term gnang jikon photo aro synthesis ja gini nangrame photosynthesis kata ngataha. Photo ni meaning ara light jikon aching sunlight name asina mana ki sara synthesis ara ungjok to produce, to make ba maikoba tharina ba maikoba watna ikon synthesis ni agana. Basically, photosynthesis, it is the process by which green plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Photosynthesis ra kisa process wa jian bol wa arang aro unagreba chunchungba jong microorganism like algae yada kabrang ni chaani thariani process kon photosynthesis ne agana. Ya chaani tharina ba photosynthesis ko atna gata green plants rangara dengtang busturang ko nanga jekai carbon dioxide, water aro sunlight ya manggatham busturang ko nanga jekon raw material ne agana. Jen salo carbon dioxide aro water react again in the presence of sunlight. Bisong atsuna micro release again glucose aro oxygen as a byproduct. Here glucose is our energy source. Jeni ko nansing energy ko maninga. Ya photosynthesis process tara ki sa cell ni nang aw tungba pak jian chloroplast nya kana yano ong chakiya jian green plants bol arang chani thari chakiya. That's all about photosynthesis. And if you find my videos informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.